Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptonia Update. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can trade assets on the Algo blockchain. Alright, in our previous video, I talked about getting started with Algo, funding your wallet, what are assets, and so on and so forth. So if you are probably watching this video without watching the first one, you have to go back to watch the first one before you watch this one. The link of the video of the previous video will be in the description below. Alright, so now let's get started. Alright, so now what we're going to move to is learning how to trade assets. Okay, so now we know how to add assets to our wallets using the asset ID, and then it's time for us to know how we can trade, how we can like buy those assets and sell them. Okay, so there's a decentralized exchange for trading those assets, which is called Tinyman. Okay, so tinyman.org is where you can trade those assets. You can buy new assets, you can then sell them back again, like swapping them back to Algorand. So let's just get straight to the stuff. Alright, so this is tinyman.org. You can see the URL right here. So now when you get to tinyman.org, this is what you're going to see. You're not going to see anywhere to like swap, okay, but what you need to do is just go to the app, alright, by clicking here. So when you go to the app, so the URL is going to be app.tinyman.org, and let it load. Okay, so this is how you are going to swap to this is how you're going to buy new assets. Okay, as you can see here below, it says select the token or paste the token ID, which is the asset ID. All right, so you can paste the asset ID that you want to buy in this place, and once you paste it, it's going to find the assets and then bring it, and you can swap the assets to anything. Okay, so let's say for instance Tether USDT. All right, so let's say you want to swap like five algo to Tether USDT. All right, so now swapping this 5 algo, I'm going to get $8. All right, $8.7 for swapping 5 algo. So and then the next thing you just have to do is then click on swap. Right, so but sometimes I do recommend, if you're going to trade other assets, okay, so I do recommend changing the slippage tolerance to 5 to 10. All right, for you to get in on the coin really fast. All right, so if you are in a trade and then you have to enter fast in the trade, like be among the first people to buy that asset, then I think increasing your slippage will allow you buy the token extremely very fast. Okay, so first actually my wallet is actually connected to the my wallet is actually connected to Tinyman already. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to look for a way to disconnect it. All right, so I've finally disconnected my wallet from Tinyman. So I'm just going to teach you the step by step on how you can connect your wallet. All right, so just scroll down and then click on connect wallet. So it depends on what Algorand wallet you're using. There's a mobile wallet. This my Algo is the wallet for web. Okay, so in case you're using a PC or a laptop, you just have to open a wallet on my Algo wallet. That one is on the browser, and then you can connect to it if you're using a PC. Okay, but we're going to be using Algorand mobile wallet because I'm using a phone currently, and connect. I'm going to open up. Yep, and then it says Tinyman wants to connect to your account, so just click on connect. All right, so we go back and then we wait. Done, it has been connected already. All right, so now you can see now it's showing my balance here. All right, so that's how you connect it to your wallet. Then if you've gotten an update that a coin is going to, a token is going, an asset is going to launch on Algo blockchain so time. So this is how you just come to your Tinyman, set your slippage limit to at least 5 to 10%, and then you paste the ID of the asset you actually want to swap. Okay, so the asset ID, when you paste it, it will find it and it will bring it something like this. Then you can buy like with 1 algo, 2 algo, any amount of algo you want to buy. Okay, so that's how it is. So let's just do one transaction so you guys will see how you can confirm transaction and all. Alright, so if you click on swap and then click on confirm swap, Hold on a minute. Yeah, this usually happen. If this happen, you are not able to swap. Just make sure that you remove the your Algorand wallet from your minimized app. Okay, so you see what will happen now. You see that this will go. Let's select USDT. To swap one, I'll go and then can swap, can confirm swap. Yeah. Yeah, now you see that it actually showed, because the first one it did not show this confirm because of, I don't know why it does like that. So whenever it gives that problem, just make sure that you clear your Algorand wallet from your minimized app by like this. Just clear it. Okay, so after you've done that, you click on confirm the transaction, accept. The transaction is being processed. Click on close, then go back to the web. Hold on a minute. You can see it says sending transaction. Okay, and guys, as you can see, it says Algo USDT swap completed. Right, so I've actually swapped my my Algo to USDT. Okay, so let's go back to the app Tinyman.org. So we have you can go to have. Okay, search for USDT, and boom, we have the Algo in our wallet successfully. I mean the USDT in our wallet. Alright, so as you can see, we swapped Algo to USDT. Alright, so we use a decentralized exchange called Tinyman. Right, so Tinyman enables you to swap it enables you to swap assets to Algorand, and Algorand to any assets built on Algo blockchain. Okay, so that's how the trading works. And then for the chart of viewing an asset,